Verb agreement, and I have come up with very important question set, and let us see how much you have gained through the first video. So take a test for yourself and mark yourself now. The very first question is 2 kilometers blank a long way to walk. The options are is or are. I give you 5 seconds to mark the answer. Come on, do it. So the answer is 2 kilometers is a long way to walk. Why? Because here 2 kilometers is considered as a single unit of measurement. Okay. Second is 2 and 2 blank 4. Options are make, makes. Yes. The answer is makes. 2 and 2 makes 4 is the correct answer. Neither of the films blank good. The options are was, were. Okay, so the answer for this would be was. Okay, because neither of the films का मतलब क्या है कि कोई भी फिल्म अच्छी नहीं थी. Okay, so कोई भी में एक भी नहीं थी अच्छी. Okay, so when we are talking about one, singular subject, singular verb. No news, blank, great news. I give you 5 seconds to mark the answer for yourself. Yes, the answer would be is, because the subject here is news and news is considered as singular. Okay, so no news is good news or great news. Good. Next question is the great poet and dramatist blank dead. Options are is and are. Yes, the answer would be the great poet and dramatist is dead. Why? Because we are talking about one singular person. Okay, the two qualities of one singular person. So singular subject, singular verb. Next is bread and butter blank my favorite is or are. Yes, the correct answer would be is. Why? Because bread and butter are considered as one food. Okay, so bread and butter is my favorite. The council blank chosen its president has or have. So the council has. Okay, because why? Because council comes as one. Okay, so the answer would be has. Next is a number of students blank caught was or were. So the answer is a number of students were caught. Why? Because it's more than one. Okay, a number of students, so it has to be more than one. So that's the reason were would be used here. Next is the boy and the girl blank to the same school. Go or goes. So it means you're going to use singular subject, singular verb, or plural subject, plural verb. So with that you need to understand whether the boy and the girl is considered as singular or plural. So the answer would be the boy and the girl go to the same school. Why? Because the boy and the girl, they are two separate people. Okay. Question number 10 is he and his friend blank arrived. Has or have. So the answer would be he and his friend has arrived. Why? Because his friend, had it been his friends, तो हम हैव यूज करते, बट यहाँ पे सिंगुलर है. ओके, सो हिज फ्रेंड है तो हैज हम यूज करेंगे. पॉलिटिक्स ब्लैंक हिज चीफ इंटरेस्ट is or are. You get 5 seconds for this. So politics is would be the correct answer. Why? Because just like economics, mathematics, politics itself is considered as singular. So the next is a mile blank a good distance. Again the options are is or are. Yes, the answer would be is. Why? Because a mile is a unit. Okay, so it has to be considered as singular. Next question is each of her rooms blank to let is or are. The correct answer is. Why? Because we are using each here. तो हम जब भी यूज करते हैं each या every, उसके साथ हमेशा singular verb यूज करते हैं. Okay, next question says each day and each hour blank its duty. Bring or brings. So the answer would be brings. Why? Because again each day and each hour. So again we are talking about singular. तो यहाँ पे भी हम singular verb use करेंगे. So the next question says Veena, not you, blank won the prize. Has or have. Yes, the correct answer would be has. Why? Because we are talking about Veena, not you. So both are singular. Okay, but particularly who has won the prize? Veena. That is one, singular. So singular verb will be used. Next question says everybody blank happy at the picnic. Was or were. Yes, everybody was happy at the picnic because with words like each, everybody, anybody, everything, we use singular verb. So the next question says the jury blank divided in their opinion. Options are was, were. Yes, the correct answer is was. Why? Because jury here is considered as one unit. Okay. Next question says anybody blank welcomed is or are. Yes, anybody is welcomed. Okay, koi bhi. So when we're talking about koi bhi, it's just one singular person. So singular verb would be used here. Blank either of the twins present is or are. Yes, because we are using either here, so it we are going to use is here as a singular verb. Either Shobha or I blank to be blamed. Options are am, are. This can be a little confusing, but come on, do it. Yes, the correct answer is am to be blamed. Either Shobha or I am to be blamed. Okay, so we are talking about again one singular person, so we are going to use am here. Question number 21 says rain blank from the sky. Fall or falls. Yes, the correct answer is rain falls from the sky because rain is considered again as one. Okay. Next, Vinay and Mukesh blank clever boys. Is or are? This is very simple. Are is correct because we are talking about two different people. Yes, the correct would be has here because we are talking about Himalayan ranges. Next question says each and every pen blank red was were. Correct answer is was here because again we are using each and every. Half of the mangoes blank rotten was were. The correct answer would be were rotten because we are talking about mangoes. Okay. Next is a lot of money blank been spent has or have. Correct answer would be has been spent. A lot of money has been spent because money again is an amount. It comes under one quantity. One of them blank the robber was were. Yes, we are talking about one person here. So was is the correct answer. Truth and honesty blank the best policy is or are. Yes, you're very correct. When we are talking about truth and honesty, it's one policy. Okay, so we are talking about policy. So just like rice and curry, bread and butter, this also counts as a singular subject. So we are going to use singular verb in it. Three parts of the business blank in my hands is or was. Yes, when we are talking about fractions, parts, it has to be singular verb. So is the correct answer. Next is a idiom. All that glitters blank not gold is or are. What is to be used? Correct. All that glitters is not gold. So I hope that you were able to score as many as possible. Okay. So if you haven't watched the part 1 of this video, kindly go and watch it. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll be coming up with more such topics, and we'll together learn. Thank you.